Congratulations on receiving your new SyncClock. Getting started is super easy. And in this short video we will show you how to set up and install, along with some easy steps and tips for you to follow. Once you remove the SyncClock from the packaging box, you will find the following items: the SyncClock, a signal antenna, a power adapter, and a USB power cable. If you wish to mount the SyncClock on a wall, you can do so by removing the 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, which hold the SyncClock to the mounting back box. You can then screw the box to a wall, making sure you do not over-tighten the screws. Some important things to consider when choosing a suitable location. Do not install outside, in direct sunlight, near a heater or vent, inside a vehicle, or to near any other electrical equipment. The next step is to screw the signal antenna onto the top of the SyncClock. Please align the threads carefully, making sure you do not over-tighten. Finger tight should be fine. Connect the USB-C cable, with the smaller end to the bottom of the SyncClock. And connect the larger USB plug end of the cable into the power adapter. You are now ready to plug the adapter into the mains power outlet and switch on. When the SyncClock powers up, it will first connect to the internet via the GSM mobile phone network. This may take a minute or two, so please be patient. SyncClock will automatically search for the strongest network signal and connect to it. Once the setup has been completed, the clock will sync with the cloud server and download updates and settings. It's ready to use when the screen display shows the time. Thank you for watching. You can now log into your GoToClock dashboard and start using the system, or view further videos. www.goto